The feyree 7KW 3-2A adjustable EV charger is a modern solution for electric vehicle charging that combines advanced technology with practical features. Constructed with high-strength PC+ASA materials in 3.5 mm thickness, it ensures durability and safety, making it both stable and flexible to protect your charging station. This charger offers a fast charging experience, delivering up to 7 kilowatts of power, enabling you to charge your vehicle for 35 kilometers of driving with just an hour of charging. The charger is designed for high serviceability, featuring a bracket for the charging box and a plug holder that allows for wall attachment, mimicking the convenience of a wall box charger. Its portability makes it ideal for both home use and travel. The sleek, new design incorporates capacitive touch buttons, adding a futuristic aesthetic while providing intuitive control. The 3-button functionality allows users to set charging times, delay start times, and adjust the current, with memory charging to simplify future use. Built for longevity, the feyree charger employs an EPT-FE waterproof breathable membrane, enhancing heat dissipation and extending its service life. Safety is a priority with multi-protection features, including leakage protection, overvoltage and undervoltage protection, lightning protection, overcurrent and overheat protection, and more. A large LCD screen offers real-time data display, showcasing voltage, current, temperature, and other critical information, while alerting users to potential issues for immediate resolution. The built-in Wi-Fi-enabled smart app enhances the functionality of this charger by allowing users to monitor charging in real time, set off-peak charging schedules to save on electricity costs, adjust charging current, and receive notifications when the vehicle is fully charged. The combination of cutting-edge features, safety measures, and smart app integration makes the feyree 7KW adjustable EV charger a reliable and efficient choice for electric vehicle owners.